In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo and branding in Dropbox Sign. If you want your signature requests and email notifications to look professional and on-brand, this quick setup will make a big difference and help recipients recognize and trust your messages. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Dropbox Sign. In the results, choose the official Dropbox Sign website at the top. Once you're on the site, log into your account as you normally would. When you're signed in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page and hover over your initials. From the menu that appears, select My Settings. This takes you to all the personalization and account options you'll use to set up branding. Inside Settings, click the Standard Features tab. Scroll down until you find the Branding section. This is where you'll add your logo and customize the details that appear in signature request emails and related notifications. You'll see an upload area here. Feel free to drag and drop the file you want to reuse for branding, or choose it from your computer or connected cloud storage. This keeps your brand assets handy whenever Dropbox Sign needs to display them. Next, upload your logo. Click Upload and select your company logo file. Common formats like PNG or JPG work well, and the file needs to be under 10 megabytes. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution image. A PNG with a transparent background often looks cleaner against different email themes, and a square or horizontally oriented logo usually fits nicely. Below the logo, you can customize your email tagline. This is a short line that appears under your logo in emails. Keep it concise and consistent with your brand voice. Something like a brief value statement, a tagline, or a compliance note works well and helps recipients immediately understand who you are. You can also personalize the From field. This is the name recipients see in the sender line of your signature request emails. Set it to a recognizable company or department name so your messages are less likely to be overlooked and more likely to inspire confidence. Finally, add your email signature. This is the closing line that appears at the bottom of your messages. Keep it simple and professional. Think a friendly sign-off and a clear brand reference. Avoid long disclaimers here. Short and polished reads best. That's it. With your logo, tagline, sender name, and email signature in place, your Dropbox Sign communications will look cohesive and trustworthy every time.